Have you ever felt tired while sitting on a plane and felt like time is passing slowly for you? But this isn't just a mental feeling. It's something Einstein talked about in his theory of special relativity, saying that the faster you move, the slower time passes for you. That's why when you're on a plane moving at high speed, time passes just a little bit slower for you compared to your friend who's walking on the ground. This phenomenon is called time dilation. But the magic of relativity happens when we realize that anything with mass also has energy, and in other words, mass and energy can be converted into each other. Einstein expressed this with the equation E equals mc squared, meaning energy, or E, is equal to mass, or m, multiplied by the square of the speed of light, which is c squared. Since the speed of light is such a huge number, about 300,000 kilometers per second, or in other words, 186,000 miles per second, so even a tiny bit of mass can contain a huge amount of energy. A harsh and grim example of this law is the atomic bomb, like the one used in Hiroshima. What happens is that a small amount of nuclear mass, like uranium or plutonium, is converted into a huge amount of energy during the process of nuclear fission. For example, in the case of the Hiroshima bomb, only about 0.7 of a gram of material was converted into pure energy, but even that small amount was enough to destroy the city. But this formula can also be used for beneficial purposes. For instance, if we could completely convert just 1 gram of matter into energy, it would release about 90 trillion joules of energy. This amount of energy is enough to supply electricity to a city of about 1 million people for several days to several weeks. So we can use Einstein's idea that mass is compressed energy in war, in power plants, or maybe one day in space travel. Now, if you've become interested in the laws of physics and want to learn them in simple language, comment the word physics so I can send you the link to the video. Or go to the YouTube channel and make sure to watch the video.